Are you sick and tired, guys, of every single time instead of buying right here, you end up buying right here? And the reason is because your bot or whatever application you're using to buy is just not fast enough. Today, I'm going to show you guys and share with you guys not only the fastest way to buy Solana Memecoins, but I'm also going to show you guys the best settings to have for this particular option that we're going to be using. So if you like how that sounds and want to supercharge your crypto needs, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to bring you guys all the best tools you can use in crypto. In addition to that, if you want us to be posting daily Memecoins we find that no one else shares, let me know in the comment section down below so we can get those out to you guys so we could all start printing. Remember, this is not financial advice, but we're trying to help each other out to grow. So with that being said, let's talk about it. So let's take a look at this particular coin. Usually what tends to happen, there's two things that people usually do when you find a coin. Number one is you're either in a Dex Screener or you're in Birdseye, whatever you are, and then you're going to go where it says Trade Radium, and by the time you hit this and you connect your wallet and you do all that fancy stuff, the coin is already up here. And instead of buying here, maybe getting a 1x, 2x, you end up buying at the top and then it goes down and you have to wait till it goes here. And that's like about, 30 minutes that go by the time you actually make your profit. So what I want to do is I want to help you guys buy here. So you have to wait a little bit and you're able to exit out very fast. Now, this is a little bit more of expensive option, but it's totally worth it if you guys play it right. So with that being said, we're going to go to this place called Photon.sol. I'll leave a link down below in the description so you guys can download this website and get access to this website. Now, the great thing about this particular website is that it gives you a lot of things that the Dex Screener doesn't give you. In addition to that, it also gives you a lot of things that the Bird Eye doesn't give you. But the most important thing that it gives you the data faster than Dex Screener. All of this gets updated faster than Dex Screener, which makes it super fast and super easy. So once you're in this site, you're going to be going here and it's going to ask you to install a Phantom wallet. That's going to be the first requirement. So you're going to go to Phantom wallet. I'll leave a link down below in the description as well. And depending on what browser you're on, you can download each and every one. I'm currently using Opera GX. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Chrome. It's going to take me here. I'm going to add to Opera and add yes. And that will add the Phantom wallet to my extension. As you see right there, it literally just, clicked that I have a Phantom wallet. So I'm going to connect my Phantom wallet and then we'll get started with the next step. All right, so what we're going to do, guys, now we're going to connect the wallet. So we're going to go here. It's going to install our wallet. So I'm just going to F5 this. This should give me a nice reload here. It's going to give me this link where it says connect the wallet. We're going to click connect wallet and it's going to ask me to accept the wallet. You guys are not seeing this pop up, but it's a pop-up that appears here. And it says if you want to connect the wallet to Photon. So once we do that, we're going to hit accept. We're going to confirm, and it says create it, generate and download your Photon trade wallet. So then we're going to get this message. It's going to show your wallet ID and just click generate and you guys should be good to go. It's also going to tell you the key for your wallet as well. And it's also going to give you a private key. Now this private key is super important that you keep, because if you don't keep this private key and you want to get access to it, you won't be able to get access to. So I should just click slide and copy and paste the key so you guys have it in your inventory. Now make sure you don't share this with anybody, so that's why I blurred mine out. And then we're just gonna hit continue. And then finally change the save private key. I already saved it and we're good to go. And now we go to continue. So once we get to continue, you're gonna see this, and I'll have a separate video on how to filter which are the best coins in here. So if you want to see that video, let me know in the comment section down below. But I want to make sure you guys have this completely set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close all these out here real quick. And we're going to focus on this right here. And there is a couple things you need to learn here. So we have new pairs. These are the new, pretty much the new stuff that's coming up and appearing on Dex screen. Like I said, things show up here before they show up on Dex, which is really cool. You have trending. This is where you would want to filter stuff out. I'll have a separate video for this and how to make sure you always get the good coins. You have holding, which is pretty much what you have currently right now in your wallet. Right now, we don't have anything in our wallet. And we also have leaderboards, which this particular place allows you to earn Photon points that you're able to use and accumulate. Okay, so that's really cool to have. And you could also do a couple missions. But the main thing we want to do here is we want to make sure we get stuff in our wallet. So as you see right now, if I go here into the wallet, it's going to give me this transfer fund. So the great thing is that my wallet is already connected here. So basically what you want to do is you want to import money in here so you could use that money to buy the coins. Now, the reason we want to do that is because using this application, it's going to allow us to trade faster, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to deposit 0.01, which is, I believe, should be like about 15 bucks. So we're going to click deposit, and it's going to ask us for our wallet. We're going to say confirm. We're going to confirm, and we're going to have, 15 bucks here in our wallet. So this is going to deposit it right here. It's going to take a couple seconds. It is going to charge you a priority fee here, and that is going to be deposited. So now that we go to our wallet, we should see that our wallet has 0.1 souls up here on the top left hand side. So that's how you know you have wallets. So the thing we need to do is we either could look for new pairs from right here and pick the ones we want, or we could go into Deck Screener and look for a pair. Let's say, for example, this Ducky one. We can literally copy these the contract address, paste it in here, and this will give us the contracts. Now, this is where things get really awesome, because within here, you're able to see a lot of things. You're able to see your holdings. So this is going to show you guys how many coins you have and what percentile you have. It's going to let you see the transactions that are currently happening with this coin right here. You're able to switch this from 1 second to 1 second. But the main thing here is you really want to set up the buy and sell option here. So in order for us to do that, we're going to have to go into the settings to be able to do that. So in order for us to do this, we're going to click on the little icon, and then we're going to go to settings. Okay, this is where things get really interesting and really important. So within the settings, guys, you're going to have the slippage. So I'm going to tell you and recommend you guys set your slippage. This is going to be a little bit high. Like I say, this is a little bit expensive, but it just makes the trade go a lot faster. You could lower this if you want. So you could start off with 0.08 and see how fast it goes. I personally feel like if you never want to miss a snipe, you're gonna want to set the slippage to at least 1.5. And sometimes if it's a really hot coin, you're gonna want to set this up the highest to 3%. You don't want to go higher than that. But I personally, if you want to get into a coin really fast, you want to set that slippage a little bit higher than usual. And I feel like 1.5 works, or 0.8. If you want to start testing it, try with that. So the next thing is you have this priority fee. This is how much more SOL you want to pay in order to get into the trade. The higher this is, the faster you will be able to get into that trade. I actually set this to 0.001. That's like about roughly a couple cents there. And you do not want to click on smart new protection, and you do not want to click on bribery, because you do not want to bribe it as of right now. What I do for the customization, so this is going to give you buttons that will appear in front of a trade. So this is going to be all dependent on you and how much you want to actually get. So for example, on this one right here, how much you want to spend to say. So if you are starting new, you're going to want to set this to 0.5. You want to set this to 0.1. You set this to 0.2. And of course, just keep gradually increasing to your heart's content. And 0.05 until you get to 1 SOL. And that should give you a rough start. Once you have that set up, you guys are good to go. Now you're going to go to quick sell. And this is if you really want to sell the coin really, really fast. And remember, we already did buy. Now we're going to do sell. So for selling, I like to set this a little bit higher than this. So for this one, I like to put 1.5 because I rather sell fast, lose a little bit of slippage here, but sell at the highest point possible. Okay. Priority, once again, I set the same amount of priority. If you want to sell faster, you could increase it as well. Don't have that it's enabled. And this is customizable buttons on how much you want to sell to appear. So me personally, I like to sell 30%. I like to have 30% whenever I'm trading. I like to have 50% and 100. So we're going to hit save here. So now that we go into the pair here, you're going to notice that our settings have changed right here on the side. So on the side now, we have the buttons we want to click. So you can just literally click on it, and that will give you the buy option. Now, in addition to that, you have advanced settings. So if you ever want to change this on the fly without going to the setting tab, you can go ahead and click here, and that will automatically have it for you. Now, in addition to that, you could also set you could actually set it to prioritize what you want to do with priority fees, as you see right there. This actually was a really good entry on this one. I should have gotten into this one. Not gonna lie, that was a very nice Little nice spike there. So what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and set that up. So for just video purposes, this looks like it's going to be upward trending. Let's go ahead and buy 0.5. We're going to go quick buy. You're going to see how fast this goes. So it gives us a count in here. It's going to tell us that we couldn't. As you see, this coin is trading really fast. So my slippage is not high enough. So if I go back to the settings and I set 0.15, then that will allow me to buy in here. I could try again, but I don't want to buy. I don't like buying on the top. We're going to buy it just for video purposes. And if it doesn't go through right now, we're going to have to increase our slippage here. So it didn't go through. So we're going to go back to settings. This is what I'm telling you guys. We're going to go back to settings here. And then we're going to change this to 1.5. And now you'll notice that this trade will go through. So we go here back to Ducky. I might be a little bit late on here. It might be a quick exit here. So we're going to go with 0.5. We're going to go ahead and buy that. And as you see this time the buy is going to go through because the slippage is a little bit higher. It takes a couple seconds. I would say between 8 to 10 seconds. We still didn't get through here. So we're going to try it once again and see if this goes through really quick. And like I said, if you want it to go really fast, you have to increase it. But I would suggest right there. So now that we have this, we're able to track a lot of really cool things in here. So it's going to tell us how much we've invested. It's going to tell us how much we have remaining, how much we sold, and what the change in the profit and losses. Now, if I had other coins, I could literally just see them back down here. So I could trade multiple coins at once. As you see here, guys, we went up 2%. So we're going to quick sell, and we're going to sell 100% here. We went up, we're just going to sell here just for video purposes, but we gained 2%. Usually, I like to wait till we get to 10 to 20. I think this is actually going to go a little bit higher. I mean, you know what we could do is we could wait here in the video, have it go a little bit higher, and tell you guys how that went. If you guys want to know where this ended up, let me know in the comment section below. But we're going to wait to go positive real quick. We're going to sell and get our initials out. Now, remember, when you get your initials out, you want to set a high percentile because remember, you're paying that extra for the slippage. So you don't want to sell like at 2-5%. You want to at least be hovering between 20 to 15%. So it could cover your slippage and you can still get a little bit of profit. Of course, we're always trying to maximize our profit and want to go over 30 to 40%. But that is all going to be based on the slippage you personally have. Now, this is by far the fastest thing or tool you could use to trade. I've used every single bot available. They're good, but they are not just as fast as this one. And I think the reason why this one's really fast is because you're paying a little bit more to get in and out, but it's definitely worth it once you guys are able to, get a good percentile of a coin. Sometimes losing pennies is nothing compared to making a really good amount of profit. And there you guys have it. That is how you use Photon. If you have any additional questions and want to download, the link is down below. It is going to be my referral link. It does help me out a little bit, so do go consider picking it up and checking it out. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to answer every single one of them. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.